How to create PayPal account in Pakistan. In this video, I will explain how you can create a UK PayPal account while you are living in Pakistan or any other country. So, first of all, you need to select the United Kingdom as your country on the PayPal sign-up page. And after that, you need to click on Create a Business Account. So, if you don't have a UK phone number, then you can get one. And after that, you need to fill up all the required information like your first name, last name, your mobile number, and your email address. And after that, you need to agree with the terms and conditions. And after that, you will receive a verification code. And after that, you need to provide the details about your business, like your legal business name, your trading name, and what kind of products or services you are offering. And after that, you need to provide your business website link and your address. And at the end, you need to provide your nationality and your date of birth.